Hi, my name is Justiniano Alves, and I'm a senior software developer. This is the last videos a part of the series how to generate glass mapper model with the TDS and the using T4 template code generation. So in those videos that I did before, I show you how to create a TDS project and connect with your Sitecore instance and to synchronize to get all those items into your TDS project. Also, I have another video where I show you how to create a glass mapper model project. In this one, basically, I'm going to show you how you can use a Team4 template to generate all the glass mapper models. Here you go. We have the entity class where all the class generates is going to be. And then you do DTDS right click up in the property as you see here. You select the target project and then a code generation, you put it the entity class that you just create. Base namespace is DKT models. And also make sure you check the enable code generation. So now we have to get all those T4 templates in order to generate the code. So to get those T4 template, we're going to go on the TDS repository in the sitecore.master and the code generate template. We're going to get the class V5 and the header and the V5 item and some other files that they need. Also, it's very important we download the file by click on the row just because the way Visual Studio to underline is different than the Linux. So I'm gonna start each file on a DTTS and the code generation template. I'm gonna do for all of them. Just keep in mind that a Visual Studio detect of the line that they are different from the standard CRLF, but only for code file. Since TTT does not behave as a such, we might have some issue, but I have installed some code editor for the template that will help us. So as you see, I'm adding those files. I'm download those files one by one. This is just because I want to avoid to download the file to the zip file as we used to do, because that way I might get some Linux special character that Visual Studio does not handle properly. So now you just have to add those files to the project. I'm going to select all of them and then click include to the project. So now, once I add all those TT files to the project, I'm going to select them here. And then after you select, you click Save, it will try to generate all those glass mapper automatically. So just have to wait. So we got some error, and then I think what we should do here is to open the console, and then you select the team foundation, the team development for Sitecore to see which error you have. So let's go to the team development for Sitecore console to see those errors. As you see here, we have some compiling transforms error. As I mentioned before, Visual Studio doesn't handle properly the TT4 template. The end line has some special character, so we need to clean it up and save that properly. As you see, I have a nice editor that I installed for the TT4 template. It's helpful. So now we just have to right click and regenerate those glass mapper class. For this time, there's no error, but the entity is empty. So something is going on here. So I think what we have to do is right click on the TDS to ensure we have the property set up correctly. So, like I say, the entity class, when you try to generate, is empty. Just try one more time. But I think, I think we have to look it up how we set up everything on the project properly. Okay, it means the .c# extension on the entity class. It's gonna work this time. So, okay, let's regenerate again. So let's check. Okay, now this time it works. It creates all the glass mapper C# class. I mean, like this time we just have one, which is the site templates, but I can see the fields here, like the description, the logo. So you see the sites class here, which represent the Sitecore template. Yeah, okay, it works. Yeah, so as you see, it works. You have the class and all those fields that represent the Sitecore site templates. Also, you can double check here is the site templates, log, description, and fields. So thank you so much for watching this video. So this is how I prepare how to generate glass mapper class with the TDS using T4 generation templates. Thank you so much.